Dude.
Yeah, I'm doorway.
You can't have anything.
Fuck off! That thing was like a fucking conker. Oh, no, you're dry cleaning. Oh, look at his like maple syrup trickling down his leg. He's got his ball hanging out. Oh. It's funny.
Alex, you missed a bit.